Grapcoin is pleased to have you visit their YouTube channel. You can find an update on the link in this additional video. There has been little movement in the market for the last several weeks as the link chart is stuck in this horizontal zone. We intended to enter the support region, and the market did just that around April 13th, entering the present range. Nevertheless, a reaction to back the area, but merely a three-wave restoration uprising. An additional test of support at a somewhat higher low, a rally, and a break above the trend line all suggest that something is occurring, or at least maybe changing, so we're keeping an eye on this chart. Having said that, we haven't seen any sudden upward momentum or significant upside from the rally so far. The structure is still essentially a sideways consolidation and might potentially become a chaotic triangle at this point. Thus, the levels covered in earlier films are still relevant. I want to be clear, this could turn into a boring sideways triangle when consolidation takes place. I'm merely making a rough outline here since I don't have enough waves to form a triangle. Nevertheless, I have my doubts that the market will take it into consideration given that the 1280690 support area is holding is a big deal. We anticipate a price increase to $90 or more if this area remains stable. To rephrase, we can wait for the market's true intentions if the present bullish structure is valid. Unfortunately, for a reliable triangle, we need more than just 2 points of contact, one above and one below. I don't know if the correction is complete or not, but compared to the initial spike after the June 2023 low, this one seems quite shallow and short-lived. Although I'm not ruling out the possibility of a 5-wave upswing, the fact that it took so long and that the correction was so rapid makes me nervous. In any case, I'm prepared for a more severe ABC correction in accordance with the yellow scenario in which we experienced an A+. Bring the present upswing to a halt. It may be a B-wave rally, as indicated by the letters A, B, and C in circle B. We would classify this as a flat correction if it is an ABC rally, before plunging into the bottom support level and aiming for $690 to $279. The C wave should reach $16.65, $5.19.89 from above. On the other hand, I'd be much happier if, under the white scenario, we just got one more low, especially since this is a C wave down. If we could just remove this, change it, and then be done with it, we could finish fixing it in no time at all. On the other hand, the inverted structure leaves a lot of room for interpretation. For instance, one may say that a wave from the ocean would crash at the end. In this case, you have a few options. If somebody wants to use that configuration, I guess all they have to do is gather in the assistance area. Gains might be within reach if a solid B wave rally occurs. Build-up could happen during the C wave drop if that doesn't happen. Presently, it is merely exceedingly dreary. In either wave C or wave 4, the diagonal that descends to the subsequent low is converging into a triangle. This holds true so long as we don't go above the very low point of $16.40. Zero was reached on April 21st. I have updated the link as follows. To show your approval, hit the like button. Trading the shorter range is something you're already familiar with, so it can be a good option if you're bored. Alternatively, you could just run a grid bot that prints tether and be good to go. Your time spent viewing Grapcoin is much appreciated. Become a subscriber and leave a comment. Leave it